If you're tired of spending your evenings scrubbing plates in a cramped kitchen or an RV, you've got to see the HAVA 2025 upgraded countertop dishwasher. This isn't just a basic washer. It's a total 2025 overhaul designed to make life easier for anyone living in smaller spaces without sacrificing that heavy-duty cleaning power. The real standout in this new model is the built-in water softener. If you live in an area with hard water, you know the struggle of cloudy glasses and mineral buildup. This feature completely solves that, leaving your dishes sparkling and extending the machine's life. It's also highly energy efficient, using way less water than hand washing, and it's incredibly versatile. With 8 different wash programs, including a 360 degrees deep clean and a specialized fruit washing mode, it handles everything from greasy pans to delicate glassware. What makes this perfect for apartments or campers is that there's no installation needed. You can either hook it up to a faucet or simply fill the built-in 5L water tank manually. It even comes with a child lock and a delayed start function, so you can set it to run whenever it's most convenient for you. It's quiet, compact, and honestly a complete game changer for reclaiming your time. Click the link below for the best price and say goodbye to hand washing forever.